Do I need to make a new rescue disk every time my backup software updates? Hi everyone, Leo Notenboom here for askleo.com. Here's the question. I've been using Macrium Reflect to back up my Windows computer. However, I'm finding that when I try to do an image or a clone backup, I'm prompted each time to update the software. This requires making a new rescue disk each and every time, which can be fairly time-consuming as I'm using Macrium Reflect to back up my desktop PC and my laptop too. I'm concerned that if I don't make a rescue disk each time the software asks me to, which is every time I open it, my backups won't work and I'll be, you-know-what, out of luck. Can you advise? All right, it's very simple. You don't need to make the rescue media every time you back up. You don't even need to make new rescue media each time Reflect updates itself. Heck, you may not even need to make the rescue media at all until you need it. Sometimes you might want to, but even then it's not a disaster if you don't. So, rescue media. In order to restore a backup image to a hard drive, that hard drive can't be in use by other software. Booting from the hard drive means that Windows itself is using it, so you need to boot from something else. That something else is the rescue media or rescue disk. It's also referred to as an emergency disk or other terms by other backup programs. It's typically a USB stick from which you can boot your computer should you need to restore a backup image to the computer's hard drive. Most backup programs encourage you to create rescue media when you first install the backup software, or perhaps after performing your first backup. Creating a rescue disk is something you can do at any time from within the backup program. And yes, I'd encourage you to create rescue media, as well as making sure that you can boot from it, so that you know you're prepared should the need ever arise. But you absolutely don't need to make a new rescue disk for each backup. The only time you might consider it is when the backup software itself updates. My recommendation is that you only make new rescue media on major version updates, say version 6 to version 7, and not on minor updates like 6.1 to 6.2, unless the release notes indicate there's a compelling reason to do so. And honestly, even then, I'm really likely to overlook it and not bother with a new rescue disk at all. It won't be a disaster, what I might call just-in-time rescue media. So, you've misplaced your rescue disk, or you didn't make one at all. Or you suddenly realize that your rescue disk is for version 4 of the backup software and you've since upgraded to version 7. Suddenly you need to restore a backup image. Not to worry. You can create one at the last minute. On another machine, even that of a friend if needed, download and install the backup program if it's not already there. The trial version will typically do. And create the rescue media. Then take that rescue media to your own machine, boot from it, and you're good to go. Rescue media isn't tied to your machine, your account, your purchase, your activation, or any specific backup you've created. Any current copy of rescue media for the backup software you use should be just fine. It's also typically backwards compatible. So if you were backing up using version 4 and all you can download in your time of need to make rescue media is version 7, still not a problem. Newer rescue media should read and restore the older backups just fine. The most important thing that you're doing is backing up. As long as you're doing that, almost everything else can wait until it's needed, even down to the last minute. For updates, for comments, for links to related topics and more, visit askleo.com/3632. I'm Leo Notenboom, and this is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.